Hi, this is Hombase portable air conditioner. It is powerful, functional, and of high performance. It has 12,000 BTU. I'm going to show you the full spec in a moment. As you can see, the model, the cooling capacity is 12,000 BTU per hour, and as it weighs 36 kilograms. And it comes with these accessories with the remote. Got the remote here, and with the two holes, you've got them. These are the two holes. This is for the window sill, and this is if you want to use it, send it out to the outside. One more thing I would like to share with you is this, the energy consumption. It's at C, of course. It's a very powerful 12,000 BTU. Definitely the energy consumption is going to be around C, which is really great for this high performance portable air conditioner. If you're interested, you can go to my website www.mathfame.com. You will find the link in the description below. And you can also get it from eBay. You can look for Mathfame store on eBay and you should be able to get it from there. Now let's put it on the test run. I think there should be. And there we go. It cools up the air in less than 1-2 minutes. See, it has the mode function for cooling, dehumidifier, and dehumidifier, heating, and the fan. Currently, the fan speed is at low. You can put it at high. You hear that? And at the same time, all the functions are working perfectly. I'm going to turn on the dehumidifier. Awesome. I'm going to switch it to, whoa, this is powerful. And just turn on the heating mode now. Now it's becoming really hot now. Despite the fact that it's really cold in here. The energy consumption. Got the hose, got the remote, got the spec, and as I said, it weighs about 36 kilograms. Let me know if you need some more information about this particular portable air conditioner. I'm willing, and if you want to come and see it, just give me a ring. And you can set the timer as well. At the moment, I'm just going to turn it off. It's going to run for a few seconds before it eventually goes off. So if you're interested, let me know. Go to my website and place an order, or go to eBay. You should be able to find my store there.